everyone, Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel and episode 3 in the Mystery Quilt for 2022. Welcome back. I hope you are doing this quilt with me. I've seen some of your work already, so I know that some of you are. Today we're doing block number 3 of the Sweet Dreams Mystery Quilt from Pat Sloan. Everything is for free. The links are down below. You basically wait every Wednesday. She pulls out a new block pattern for the mystery quilt. There's 18 blocks together, plus, you know, other things that we have to do around, like sashing, things like that, borders, and at the end you have a twin size quilt. Every block is going to be different. I am choosing to do it in various colors. I call it a stash buster. I'm using basically everything I have left over here. In rainbow colors. So today we're doing Angel Fruit Cake. It's block number 3 and it's this one right here. I hope you can see it. It's a heart. It doesn't look very complicated. It looks actually like it's going to be pretty quick to put together, which is a good thing because it's Tuesday night. I just got back from work. So I can't wait to relax and do this. As always, I'm going to start with cutting my pieces. I have decided that instead of doing this as a pink, I'm going to do it in green, because why not? And the finished block is 9.5 by 9.5, so once it's sewn together into the quilt, it's going to be 9 by 9. And what else do I want to say? That's about it. So if you want to do this quilt along, by the way, you can do it anytime you want. Pat Sloan keeps all of the patterns available online forever, so you can go back and look at all of the other quilts that she's done, but I think this one is easy for a beginner. I'm showing you the steps. I'm not giving you the measurements, but I believe that I'm doing it in a way that makes a lot of you want to start quilting. You are inspired, and I couldn't ask for anything else. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to cut my fabric. You need background, which is the one we used for the first block, so it's kind of like a cream color for me. And then you need 12 different strips of the color of your choice, not the same color, 12 different colors, or 6 of each, whichever way you want to do it. I'm gonna do probably 10 different colors, all in greens. So let's get started. Okay, so I have 12 strips, and now what I need to do is place them in 2 rows of 6. And 6. Okay, so we're just gonna do a row. So this one to this one to this one to this one to this one and this one. Same thing here, and that's going to give us basically 2 rectangles. So now I have two rectangles like this with stripes. So the next step is to do what's called flip square. So we're going to take two of those white square. I'm going to put one right here. I'm going to go straight and diagonal here and then flip it like this, and then take the next one, put it right here, sew it in diagonal. Of course we cut out this part we don't use here, just like if we were doing a flying geese, and that goes like this, and that's going to give us the top part of the heart. Okay, so here goes. That's the top of half of the heart. So I have to do the same thing with this band. So now for the bottom of the heart, we're doing exactly the same thing, taking a big square, put it over, and sew right here in diagonal, flip this over, and you want to press it and cut this one part, and we do the same thing on the other side. So align them diagonal right here, flip it over, press it, cut out this part, we don't need it, and that's going to give us the bottom part of the heart. And we're almost done. Can you see the heart? Okay, so that leaves you with two big rectangles. Guess what? This one to this one, 1/4 of an inch. Square it to 9.5 by 9.5, and we're done. So now we have 3 blocks. We have Brownie Love, Boston Cream Pie, and Angel Food Cake. So this one was not difficult at all. You just gotta make sure that you are aligned on the center right here. They all 9.5 by 9.5. I'm putting them next to each other, but again, this is a mystery quilt, so they may not even be next to each other in the final positioning of the blocks, but this is what I got so far. The next one is going to be probably either blue or maybe I'll do brown. I'm not sure. So I will see you next week. I hope you enjoyed this. This was really super easy. And by the way, since this is an easy block, if you wanted to do a whole quilt, with it, you could, and you would have all sorts of hearts on it. So she always gives you options with what you can do. You can do runners, you can do whatever you want. But I'm going to leave you at that. It's actually Wednesday night. I couldn't finish yesterday. I had to do some other stuff. And so I'm going to say good night, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to check out the link down below if you want to do your own quilt with me or Quilt Along or any other quilt by Pat Sloan. Again, this one is free. You just have to print the instruction. It comes out every Wednesday for new blogs. I'll see you next Wednesday. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.